Again, just a couple boards, nothing fancy, in a secured area where raccoons do not take them out, because we've lost entire flocks and the dozens of chicks at one time to raccoons trying to feed their young. So this is safe in here. There's no other birds, and they will go to a chicken tractor outside when they're older. So next step, after we have sides on this thing, we're gonna put some wood chips in there. Get some quality lodging for our chicks, and we don't have to put tons of it in, or they'll mess all that up too. Enough to keep them cozy and keep that area dry and nice. And we're gonna put it in there like that. I like to have an LED light on at all times so we can kind of see it from the house. Make sure electricity's on for the heat lamp. And then if we come in here when it's dark before we leave to do chores, we can see ourselves in here without tripping or having a bad time. So there you go. Just like that, huh? Now, we have to go find some stuff to put food and water in. You got some heat, you got some water, you got some non-GMO, grow up really big and tasty feed. We'll put that right there. And as luck would have it, the post office just called and said the chicks arrived. Post office? Chicks? Oh yeah, let's get them. Let's go get them. All right, well, the post office just called and we're off to get these baby meat chickens or chicks.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you might think, post office? Shouldn't you be getting them at a feed store or a Tractor Supply? Oh no, we order them online so we know where they're coming from, what we're getting. And I heard there's an exotic bird, and this time Genevieve back there gets to name it, and we're gonna wait until we see it, okay? So let us see you over there at the post office. Here we go. All right, we're almost to the post office. As you can see, we are a legit hometown that is centered around farming. That's for making flour and some other stuff, I guess. So the big grain bins. It's one of my favorite things to do is to come downtown here to the post office and get our chicks. Go through the front. This is a cool post office. I love this post office. Just gotta find a place to park after we stop, of course, right?
Right.
All right, we look both ways. Looks good. It's a one-way. So here we go. Check this out, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
What may I do for you today?
Oh, we're the one who ordered the chicks back there.
You did? Perfect.
Get them back there.
What's the name on them?
Last
name
name.
is Vera.
Perfect.
Adam or Stephen.
Let me, I just gotta scan them in real quick, so give me just a second. You can't have them quite yet.
That picture's horrible.
See if I put in, you are all set. You may have your chicks now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye, ladies.
Bye.
You'll just have to.
That box is tweeting.
Yeah.
Oh, they have it stapled shut. Can you see them in there?
Yeah, they're there.
We better get them home.
Yeah,
It says please rush.
I want a salad. I want that salad.
Yeah, so guys, when you order from this place, they always send an exotic. You never know what it's going to be.
And they give it to you for free.
Woo, my favorite. All right, yeah, so small box. We, you know, for a long time we would get 60 or so at a time, and there'd be a couple of boxes. So it's kind of unique that this is such a small box, but we switched it up this year, and we pretty much have smaller amounts coming sooner. So every 5 to 6 weeks, we have 16 or 20, thus the smaller boxes. It's a lot easier for us. Freezer space, butchering, things like that. So that's what we got. Let's go get them back to the farm. That box is tweeting, Genevieve. What's in there?
Baby chicks.
Baby chicks. Do you see the exotic in there? Can't wait to see them. We'll have to name them. All right.
I want a black one.
Let's see what it is when we get home. Let's roll. All right, let's open this thing up. This box shipped yesterday from Iowa here to Western Michigan.
To Washington.
So they kind of, I don't know if it hopped on a plane or what, but look at them.
I want my challenge.
Okay, hold on. Let's get on over here. Look at, they survived the trip from Iowa. Okay, let's go over here with them. I got the box.
Okay.
Careful. Go ahead, Genevieve. All right, now.
I think I can handle this too.
They're a little bit high on the side. So we always wear gloves because chicks can have disease just like everything else. So we put them in gently.
This is a meat chicken.
That is a meat chicken. We always look before we leave to make sure the light's not too far away or too close. Lots of people lately have been burning down their garages and houses with these heat lamps, and we almost burned our barn down last year because they can fall.
Don't do that.
Yeah, don't drop them now.
I didn't.
So we'll always make sure, especially as they get older, that our heat lamps are secure.
Can I hold my... Hold on, wait, don't choke on my challenge.
That exotic kind of looks like a chipmunk.
Yeah, and the black and white one is mine.
Yes, ma'am. Doesn't want to go in? Go on.
Come on.
I hope you find your water, and I hope that you find your food. And that's how it's done. When these meat chicks get a little older and a little larger, we will put them out in a chicken tractor out in the yard and move them around so they can free range, but in safety.
Come on.
For now, it's great to have them back.
It doesn't want. That's how it's done. That's how it's really done. We put all 16 birds into this little area, and yeah, definitely wear gloves just because 1, they could have diseases. 2, you don't want them to poop or pee on you. Yeah, so that's one thing. Yeah, and you don't want to touch your eyes because then you'll turn into chicken.
That's right, you'll get the chicken eyes.
Yeah.
Chicken flu.
Yeah. Well, anyways, that's all for today. We transported all 16 chicks over here to our farm.
And then I think it's 6 weeks from now we'll get 16 more. And
Yeah.
then we'll every 6 weeks after that.
Yeah. I love my... Yeah, I love... Yeah, bye.